Hello, and welcome to this new video about Python exception handling. Let's get started with understanding what exceptions are in Python and why handling them is important. Exceptions are events that are triggered when an error occurs during the execution of the program. In Python, exceptions are raised when the script encounters an error. Handling these exceptions correctly will prevent the program from crashing and provide a better user experience. Now, we'll take a look at the basic structure of a try except block in Python. Here's an example of a try except block. Now, let's see how we can use the try except block in a simple program. We'll create a program that takes user input to divide two numbers. In this example, the code inside the try block takes two numbers as input and calls the divide numbers function. If an exception occurs during the execution, the except block will handle the error and print the error message. Now, let's learn how to raise exceptions manually. We can raise exceptions manually by using the raise keyword, followed by the exception class and an optional error message. Here's an example. In this example, a value error is raised if the second number num12 is 0, with a custom error message. Lastly, let's look at how we can handle specific exceptions. In the previous try except example, we caught a general exception. However, to handle specific exceptions, we can add multiple except blocks as required. Here is an example. By including specific exceptions in separate except blocks, our program can provide more detailed information about the errors encountered. That's it for this tutorial on Python exception handling. We've seen the importance of handling exceptions, how to use try except blocks, raising exceptions manually, and handling specific exceptions. As always, practice and experiment with these concepts to get a better understanding. Have a great day, and remember to subscribe to our channel for more Python tutorials, and to like and share this video if you found it helpful. Thanks for watching.